Hey guys, in this video we will cover another objective for the MO-200 exam. Before we start, I encourage you to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any new training content, and now let's begin. We'll look into the if function and writing conditional statements in Excel. So the if function has essentially three parts. The first part is condition. For conditions, it is useful to know the, let's say, Boolean operators that can evaluate if the value is true or false. So here's the equal sign, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and greater and less than or equal to. Let's perhaps try an example. I have here a list of students and the number of points they got on the exam out of 100, and we want to create a condition that says if student has more or equal to 50 points, they passed the exam, and if not, they failed the exam. So let's start by equal sign if. So we begin with logical test. So this cell is greater or equal to 50. Then we print pass. And if the value is false, we print fail. Enter. And now we can like drag this corner all the way. Perfect. Now let's try one more thing. We will copy this statement and enter it into the cell to the right, and in the values true or false we can also do some operations or even use functions. So if the value is true, we can take this value and, for example, add 1, and if the value in the cell is less than 50, then it would do nothing. So let's click enter and let's try that out to all cells. Perfect. So yeah guys, that is all for today's lesson. I hope you find it valuable. If so, smash that like button and we'll catch you guys at the next one. Bye.